Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Leetcode grind. This month, we're doing binary search. Let's give that a go. Starting from the first one. Oh, that's cool. Okay, the binary search. It says here, given an array of integers nums, which is sorted in ascending order, and an integer target, write a function to search target in nums. If target exists, then return its index. Otherwise, return -1. Okay, so let's go over our workflow. What we have is some nums, and we can note down the indices 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to say, all right, so we're told that these numbers are sorted, and it looks like they are. And we have some target that we're searching for, which is at index 4. And that's the index that we return. So we can have our left and right bounds initialized to the bounds of the array and say, all right, what's in the middle? 0 plus 5, and then floor division, that's 2. 2.5 floor divided is 2. The number at the middle is 3. And if our target is 9, is 3, how does 3 compare to target? So now if target was matching, then we can return. Otherwise, currently target is larger than the value at the midpoint. So all we do is update the left pointer because our number at the middle is just too small. We want to move to the right of it. We know for a fact the middle is not included and it's too small. So we move the left pointer here and say, okay, now what's between these two guys? Index 3 plus index 5 is 8, divided by 2 is 4, and so the middle is 9. Is 9 matching your target? Yes, then we return 4. Alright, that's just a simple workflow, so let's basically implement what we just did, which is initialize the left and right bounds to the first index and the last index, which is the length of nums -1. And as long as these don't cross, the left and right pointers do not cross. So while the left pointer is less than or equal to right pointer, we grab the number between them. And we can do that by adding the left and right and dividing it by 2. We're doing floor division in case we have two numbers in between, then we want a floor divided. Um, so if we have 0 and 5, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. There is no 2.5 index, so we just use 2. Okay, and then we say if target, which is what we're looking for, happens to match the nums in the middle, well, we found it, and we return the index. Okay. Otherwise, if the target, following this example, if it's larger than whatever number we have in the middle of our current left and right bounds, then you know what? The middle is too low. So let's update the left pointer to be just to the right of our current middle, which was already deemed too low. That was the first middle. Okay. And otherwise, we know it's not matching. We know it's not greater than, so that basically means target is less than nums at middle, in which case, wherever middle happens to be, we want to only consider the numbers to the left of it because the number from the middle and onward, since it's ascending, those are all too big. So we want to move the right pointer to the left of our current middle. And now let's say we've exhausted this. They're either crossing, they're there, it doesn't match, so they'll eventually have to cross, and we exit this loop. Then we can say there was no match and return -1. That's pretty simple. Let's give that a run. And there you have it. This was our first problem, binary search. Thanks so much. Happy coding. See you next time for more binary search in June.